Hello students, welcome to CA practical class. Today we will make a presentation on computer. Okay, so these are some details that I will put on the PPT. Okay, it is a simple Word document right now. You can see this is PowerPoint icon pinned up on the taskbar, and you can click on start button also. You can click on all programs, and Microsoft Office also you can get Microsoft PowerPoint. Otherwise you can directly search here Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So click on it. So this is the normal view. You can see this is normal view, slide, outline here. Okay, slide, outline, and this is notes pan. Okay, this I have told you that what are the three pans are there in the normal view. So this is the normal view. Somebody asked me how to insert GIF image. So I will tell you how to download the image. First of all, for that you have to click on any web browser. So this is Mozilla Firefox. You can use Chrome also. This is Chrome icon. Okay, and you can also use Internet Explorer. This is Internet Explorer icon. Okay, all these are pinned up on my taskbar. We can also have the icons in the desktop, or we can also search it in a start menu. So here you can see Firefox icon, Firefox web browser, Google Chrome web browser, etc. So this is Google search engine. Here you can search images. I want image on computer. I want GIF image. Okay, so search computer GIF, then press enter. Images for computer. So you will get some images. Here you can see GIF image. Okay, you can right click on save image as. Here you can see GIF. GIF full form is graphic interchange format. It is one of the extension of image file. So you can see this is a picture name is Giphy. Okay, so I am saving it on the desktop, and its extension you can see GIF. Save it. This is GIF image. Right click on save image as, and then save it with abc.gif. Okay, save. It will be saved on the desktop. So there are two pictures I have taken. You can close it. Now the content I have already prepared. I'll copy the content. I will make 3-4 slides. Computer made by Neelam. Okay, you can make another slide, new slide. Here there will be heading computers again, and copy the definition. Okay, now this is a picture. If we want, we can directly copy picture from here, like I'm copying this. What you have to do, right click on copy, and then go to another page, new slide, and then paste it here. Okay, otherwise one more method we can do. I'm putting the GIF image here on the top. So insert, click on pictures, and then go to desktop. And here you can see two pictures, GIF images that we have downloaded. So I'm taking this one. To change the theme, you can go to designs. See, already existing designs are there. This one. Okay. So enlarge the image. To resize, drag this. Now we will add few more things. New slide, add 2 or more slides. Here we will learn to insert table, charts, smart art, picture, clip art, insert media clip. Okay, so to insert the table, you can click here directly, and you can enter number of rows and columns that you want. Okay, I will insert from here. Insert, see table option is there. You can directly click. When you will select the table, then this design table tools will be activated. So here you can choose any design for your presentation. If you want, you can put data inside it, serial number, computer, parts, etc. You can make table. Then after that, here you will insert chart. You can click on insert chart button from here, or you can also click from here, insert chart. See, options are there. You can choose any chart. This one. Okay, this is the sample table. Here we can insert, like here it is mouse, keyboard, monitor and UPS. So here when I am changing, you can see the content will be changed here in the chart also. Okay, these are different labs, like lab 1, lab 2, lab 2, lab 3 and so on. The numbers we can change. Okay, so automatically the chart will be adjusted. You can close it. Now you can insert one more slide. You can click here. You can see shapes. You can insert from here to make something. Smart art you can insert from here. Okay, smart art, you can choose any design. Okay, here you can write something like 1, 2, 3. Okay, and here also you can insert something. Your device's name, if you want to insert, you can insert. Okay, if you want change color, you can change color also. This is colorful. Clip art we can insert. Click on clip art icon. See, clip art pan will be activated. Here you can see clip art pan. If you want to search anything over here, you can search. Okay, computer, you can see computer related pictures will be here, so you can click on it, or you can simply drag and drop from there. It will be inserted. Otherwise we have one more option from insert, clip art, this one. Now if you want to insert a video in it, you can insert video also. You can click on this, insert movie, movie from file. Okay, movie from clip organizer. So a clip organizer have a movie, so we can drag it. Now let's see the preview. For that we have to click on slideshow from the beginning. Okay, you can see the GIF image. Okay, the things are moving in it. This is a GIF. Then next, these are all slides that I have inserted. Click on escape. Now if we have to animate this, then we can simply select the object and then after that go to animations. Okay, and click on custom animation. This is custom animation, that means the animation applied to individual object. So I have selected one object, that is a text box. Add effect, entrance, whatever entrance we want, like faded swivel, like this. Okay, you can see preview also. If you want to play, you can play from here. Okay, if you want to see slideshow, you can click on this icon. Now choose animation for this. Click on add effect, entrance. It will be diamond. like this. Now GIF image, entrance, split, slideshow. From the beginning you can see you have to press arrow key to press it. You have to press. You can see the effect. Okay, so this way you can make a PPT. It's a simple PPT. Okay, this way you can give animations to all the objects in your presentation. Click on animations. Okay, here these are slide transitions. You can see transition to this slide, so you can choose any transition for this one. You can choose this, then this one, then for this you can choose this one. And so on. So new slide, one more picture I will insert, the last one. If you have to change the layout also, you can change from here. See, the layout option is there. Whatever you want in the last you can choose, like this one in the last. Okay, and here in the last, if you want to insert a picture, you insert picture. On the desktop one more file is there, Giphy. We will take Giphy. Okay, this is animated image. Thank you. Save it on the desktop, computer, presentation, and save. See the slideshow. Okay, in the previous slide you can see this is a movie clip organizer which is already existing, so we can use this. You can see animated GIF inserted. So students, only this much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.